In this video, we will learn how to change profile picture on Threads. Let's get started. I have a Threads account. If you don't have one, on iPhone you need to go to the App Store, and in the case of Android simply go to your Google Play Store, install the app and create an account. First of all, go to the profile button at the bottom right. I can touch Edit Profile here. You can see Edit Profile Picture icon. Touch here. Here you can see that there are two options, New Profile Picture and Import from Instagram. I will go with the New Profile Picture. Chose a picture and opened it. Your profile picture has been successfully uploaded. Touch Done. This is how to change profile picture on Threads. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.